Hello everyone, welcome back to the online classes of St. Thomas High School, Standard 3rd, subject Math. So, as we have completed our first semester exam, so now we are starting our second semester with this chapter, chapter number 8, who is heavier. Open your textbook, chapter number 8, who is heavier. Now, Gur means jaggery and groundnuts. Shabnam loved to eat jaggery and groundnuts. One day she bought 1 kg of jaggery and 1 kg of. You know that kilogram is also written as kg. So this is the short form of kilogram, kg. You can see here this 1 kg groundnuts and gur means jaggery. Oh, the groundnuts look so much more than jaggery. You can see here. Are the groundnuts really more than the jaggery in weight, or do they just look more? So the groundnuts are not really more than the jaggery in weight, because both are 1 kg. Groundnuts also 1 kg and gur means jaggery also 1 kg. So in weight they both are same, but they just look more. Then now guess for which of these you need a bigger bag. So here we have to guess which one of these need a bigger bag. You can see here. So in your textbook you have to underline which thing which need a bigger bag. 1 kg popcorn or 1 kg sugar. So we need a one bigger bag for 1 kg popcorn. Now 1 kg peas or 1 kg potatoes, so we need a bigger bag for 1 kg peas. You can also go to the market and you can check if your guess is right or wrong. Okay. Now next. So page number 114. Pumpkin tomato panga. This is the playground where tomatoes come to play every day. So one playground is there where tomatoes come to play every day. They love playing on the seashore. One day a big pumpkin comes and sits on the side of the seashore. When he does not get up for a long time, the tomatoes decide to sit on the other side and lift the pumpkin up so that he falls off. The little tomatoes start climbing on the other side. You can see here this pumpkin and this little tomatoes, they start climbing on the other side like this. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5, so 25. The pumpkin is still sitting and laughing. So the big tomatoes decide to help. The little ones get up and make a way for the fat ones. 1 2 3 4 5 like this till 20. Yeah, the pumpkin is up in the air. It shouts, bring me down, please. You can see here this pumpkin is up in the air and you can see here this tomatoes. So how many small tomatoes do you think could lift the pumpkin? Now you have to guess how many small tomatoes. Maybe 40, maybe 35, yeah, 40 small tomatoes. They lift the pumpkin up. Then how many big mangoes can balance the pumpkin? You can see here this pumpkin and this mangoes. So how many big mangoes can balance the pumpkin? So you can write here 20 big mangoes can balance the pumpkin. You have to guess. Then now guess how many pumpkins can balance you on the seashore. So you can guess, and you can also write 5 or 6 pumpkins can balance you on the seashore. Then next, name some of your classmates who you think weight almost the same as you. So here you have to write the name of your classmate. You can write the name of your friends also whose weight is almost same as you. For example, your weight is 35 and your friend's weight is also 35, so you can write here your friend's name. Okay, then more than you. So you have to write the name of your friend whose weight is more than you, then less than you. So here you have to write the name of your friends whose weight is less than you. Okay. Then next, how many books can you lift on one hand keeping your arm straight? So this answer you have to write yourself. So you have to write that how many books can you lift on one hand keeping your arm straight. You can write one book, you can write two books. Okay. So how many books can you lift on the hand keeping your arm straight? Okay. Now in your fair book, what you have to write? So I will send in the PDF. So like that you can write in your fair book. Okay. Thank you.